In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show multiple databases in one view in Notion. Start by opening your browser and heading to notion.com. When the home page loads, click Login. For this walkthrough, choose the Google option, then select your Google account to continue. Once you're in, make sure you're in the right workspace so everything ends up in the correct place. Create a fresh canvas by clicking Add a page in the sidebar. Give the page a clear, descriptive name so you can find it easily later. Next, click into the empty space just below the page title. That places your cursor on the page where we'll build the view. Type /database. This opens the block menu filtered to database options. Click database to insert it inline on the page. You'll see a new, empty database appear. Modify it to match your project's references. Rename the database, adjust properties to reflect how you track work, and remove any default fields you don't need. Think of this first database as the anchor for the page. Now repeat the exact process to bring in more databases. Click into the space beneath the first one so a new block is ready, type /database again, and choose database. Customize this second database the same way, aligning names and properties so everything stays consistent. Continue repeating these steps for each additional database you want visible on this page. Stacking them in line on a single page is what creates one unified view. Anytime you want to add another, simply click in the space under the last database. From here, you can insert a brand new database with the / command, paste to copy one you've already configured, or embed an existing database so it displays here alongside the others. Notion saves automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to do. A few tips for readability as you add multiple databases. Keep them in line so they share the same canvas, give each database a clear name, and align properties like status, dates, and owners so they mean the same thing everywhere. You can also switch each database's view between table, board, list, or calendar to suit the type of information you're showing, and drag to reorder sections so the most important databases sit at the top. If space gets tight, hide properties you rarely use, narrow columns, or collapse views to keep the page scannable. Filters and sorts are helpful inside each database to focus on just what matters without changing your underlying data. And that's it. By placing databases one after another on a single page and customizing each to match your references, you'll have a clean, consolidated view that brings everything together in one place.